Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mute notes on Instagram. First, open your Instagram. Then we'll go to notes. So on the upper right part of the screen, tap on the message icon. And then you'll see all of the notes in here from my followers. Now, if you want to mute, for example, I want to mute Mary's notes. So I'll long press Mary's profile here. And then you'll see an option to mute notes. Tap on mute notes. You'll see a prompt in here that says you can unmute them from their profile and Instagram won't let them know you muted their notes. Once you're sure you want to mute the notes, then tap mute notes. And that's how to mute notes on Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.